Hey guys! So my name is Ashton Jones and I'm going to talk to you guys about Mary Kay. I'm officially a Mary Kay consultant if you guys didn't know. I'm going to be showing you guys one product today. It's going to be awesome. So it's going to be foundation, but it's about CC cream. It's a bit different from foundation. You know, it's like easier coverage. You just get to put it on your hands and you can rub it in on your face. Have multiple colors. For you ladies that think that you're too pale, too dark, or too tan, honey, I got the colors, trust me. So if you ladies aren't feeling that confident about your skin tone and you feel like you want something to easily put on in the morning, you could literally just put it on like face cream, this is definitely one of the products that I would recommend. From Mary Kay, it's called CC Cream. So now I'm going to put it on my skin for you guys so I can show you guys an example of, you know, how well the coverage is for it to not be foundation. But I'm just going to do my forehead. And just do this. You don't want to get them eyebrows. It doesn't feel like I have to do the extra mile to rub it in. It feels great. And you can use it for your under eyes as well. I like to use it for my under eyes because I do get bags pretty bad. So I'm going to do that. And to correct this eyeshadow that I have going on, I'm even going to use this. I'm going to put it on the bridge of my nose.
So I'm going to show you guys this too, maybe around my lips so you can see how well the coverage is. Makes your lips look way plumpier whenever I do this. I like to do this around my lips, so it's like basically contouring it. I don't know if other ladies do that, but I definitely like to do it.
And there's my lips for you guys. So it looks a lot more sharp and cleaner on the edges. Really love this product. I think you guys will too. I do have events that I want to invite you guys to. I have one coming up the 26th, and you guys will be able to try foundations, which is the CC cream. It's going to be the same one. You will be able to try other skin products that work great. So if you are interested, just hit my DMs, text me. If you ladies want to look this fine, then try CC Cream by Mary Kay.